Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the dark mode or dark theme on the Reddit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the avatar in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings option and scroll down till you find the dark mode section. If you want to turn on the dark mode, then you should tap on this button next to it. Now it has been updated. If you want to turn on the dark theme, you can select by tapping on it whether you would like it to be turned on night or at midnight. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.